Hi everybody, Danny here. Okay, now let's head on over and put some more intense color on our little Grove of Trees experiment and get ready to finish it off tomorrow, okay? I'll meet you over at the easel. And by golly, here we go. We're we're getting close to finishing this. Today we're going to put a little bit more intense color around it to bring some of it forward to give it shape and form. All right, this is what we're going to do. I'm just going to come over here and I'm going to grab a little bit more intense stuff, okay? And we're going to put it here. Now I'm going to just kind of scrape some of this up like that because we're now actually painting some limbs sticking out, okay? And so we therefore need to have some shapes that we can identify as limbs, okay, coming out of our trees, our little stand of trees, okay? And this paint is not really watery. This is pretty thick, which is exactly what we need right now, okay, to pull out like that, okay, just like that. We're going to come down under here. We're going to put some under here, just like that. This is just pretty much where you think you want it to go. Now, if you notice, what we're starting to get is we're starting to get more form to this. Now, this is just clear water. Okay, that's just clear water that we're using right there. Okay, we are. We're doing just fine. Okay, we're going to put some of that. I'm going to put some of that in here too. I'm just scrubbing it around with the brush like that. Okay, just scrubbing it around. Okay, let's get just a little bit more. We'll scrub a little more around in through here, and I'm even going to put some salt in there. You remember salt from a painting that we did before? What that did is that gave it some form, which is okay for what we're doing right now. I've got some really, really, really uh, thinned out paint, and we're just throwing that right around the edges here. That's right around the edges, simply to give this just a little bit of stuff in the background. This is going to dry really light, so it's not going to hurt anything. Okay, we'll just pull that down in there like that. Now again, this is just a demonstration. You can use this technique if you've got a grove of trees that you want to paint in. You just paint the grove of trees in just exactly the way we did this. Okay, now be with me tomorrow and we will go ahead and finish our painting off here. Okay, and I think we're probably going to like how it comes out. Okay, so be with me tomorrow. Be sure to like, subscribe, and leave comments. And remember, as always, Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you. We love you. And there we go. That worked out quite well. Tomorrow, we're going to put just some simple little pretend trunks in, and we'll see just how it worked. Okay? So be with me tomorrow. Remember, in the meantime, that Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you. We love each and every one of you.